Hey everyone, Joe back with Gorilla Joe's Barbecue, and today we're gonna make smoked appetizers. And I know what you're thinking, Gorilla, you just did smoked shotgun shells, and that's a smoked appetizer. Now listen, here, look closer. This is my channel, and I'll cook what I want. But in seriousness, everyone's done smoked shotgun shells. So I figured I'd do 3 smoked appetizers that are a little different that you probably haven't seen before. So, let's get into it. Let's check it out. All right, everyone, these are my ingredients for today's cook. First one's gonna be using this New York strip. I found it on sale, expires today. But I'm gonna cube this up. We're gonna pair that with some pickles and bacon. So that'll be one. The next one is gonna be kind of like a cheesy hamburger slider on a stick. We're gonna use these guys for that one. And the last one's gonna be using a little bit of mac and cheese, some of this cheese, and some jumbo biscuits. And a lot of people have asked me to bring back the beer cook counter. So today, I'm expecting a 4 to 5 beer cook. And we're gonna be having some Hazy Bear Hug IPA. This is from Goose Island Beer Company, so let's get this cook started. For the first step of this cook, I'm going to cube up this steak. I'm gonna do about 1-inch cubes, roughly. All right, got my cubes here. I'm going to put these in a marinade to get them kind of a little tender before throwing them on the smoker. So I'm gonna get them in a bag. Worcestershire sauce, some oil, just eyeballing it, some Sucklebuster's Campfire Steak Seasoning. Those can go in the fridge for about an hour. All right, while that steak is marinating in the fridge, I'm gonna get the second appetizer started. We're gonna put a pound of ground beef in this bowl, add in a single egg, add in a little panko breadcrumbs, and some more of the steak seasoning. All right, that's good. All right, so I got my hamburger mixed up here, a couple blocks of pepper jack cheese. I wanted to add a little something a little spicy. And then I got some pizza dough here. I'll take this, cut out some strips. I really don't have enough meat to make a lot of these, so I'm just gonna do a couple strips. We'll go from there. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start by piercing the dough. I'm gonna take some beef, put a cube of cheese in the middle, and that goes on the skewer, round it, move on to the next one. Hey everyone, thanks for stopping by for the video. I wanted to let you know about the 500 subscriber giveaway I'm doing. To qualify, all you have to do is leave a comment below and go and subscribe to Drunken Chef Barbecue and Tiger McCool Barbecue Company. I've linked them both below. Drunken Chef donated a trio of his SPG rubs to give away. Guys, these are awesome rubs. Salt, pepper, and garlic is a standard when it comes to seasonings, but they went and added in jalapeno and habanero. Habanero is my favorite of the 3. Anthony donated 2 sets of his original fire cup starters, so I'll have 2 winners to pick for that as well. I use these fire cups to start my Chargriller 980 every time, but you can use them for anything. Charcoal kettle grills, Komodos, bonfires, you name it. So once again, just go and subscribe to their channels if you haven't already, and leave a comment below, and in 2 weeks, I'll pick a winner using a random comment picker. Thanks for helping me get to 500 subscribers, everyone, and don't forget to like the video, and subscribe if you haven't already. Alright. I'm going to put these in the fridge to set up for a little bit. I have my main course on the smoker since I am just making appetizers. So when it's time, I'll throw these on. We'll get them smoking. All right, so the meat has been marinating about an hour. So I'm gonna prep up this second appetizer. but add another one to the beer clock. These chunks of meat out of here. I got some nice thick cut bacon. Pull off half of the amount of steak bites you got. Cut this in half. And then we need 13 pickles. And we can make it work. All right, what you're gonna do is you take your steak, put it on a pickle, take your bacon, wrap it around, and then toothpick it, just like that. This will be steak pickle bacon bites. Knock another one out real quick. Just like that. I get all these knocked out, and then we'll get them thrown on the smoker. All right, got all of them prepped up. What I'm gonna do is hit them with a little more of the seasoning on the outside. And then these are gonna go in the smoker at 250 degrees with my ribs. And I'm gonna let them take on about an hour's smoke. And then we're gonna kick that temperature up to 330 degrees. And we'll get that bacon cooked crispy how we like it. For the last appetizer, we're gonna make some biscuits stuffed with the mac and cheese I cooked up with some extra cheese in there and some Drunken Chef SPG. So you wanna flatten this out a good amount, spread it out. I'm gonna lay down a base of the Drunken Chef SPG. A little bit of cheese. A little mac and cheese. Stuff them in. Like that. Mac and cheese biscuit bite. I'm gonna get the rest of these prepped up and we'll be ready to put them on the smoker. All right, guys. We got the cheese ball slider on a stick. We got the mac and cheese balls ready to go. I'm gonna go throw these in the smoker at 330 degrees. And about every 10 minutes, I'm gonna baste them with some butter. And I just wrapped my ribs up, so those are gonna be good. I'm hoping in about 30-ish minutes, these will be cooked and ready to pull off. We'll see you out there. All right, guys, it's about 10 minutes. We're gonna go ahead and baste these rolls and everything, make sure they're cooking good. But first, add it to the beer clock. Holy cow. These smell and look amazing. Look at those. Look at these. Would you look at them? Wow. I cannot wait to get tearing into these. I'm gonna go unwrap my ribs, put them back on the smoker. Those are gonna finish up. Appetizers are gonna cool off a little bit. We'll get some pictures. We'll tear into them, see how they taste. If the smell's anything to indicate off of, this is gonna be awesome. These are amazing. I cannot be more happy with how well these biscuits cooked in the smoker, like that. It's perfect. Look at those. I can't wait to cut into that. The pickle steak bites. Boom, look at that. That's what I'm talking about. These guys are a little spinny, but cook perfectly. I probed them, they cook great. So, I gotta try a steak pickle bite first. Oh, that's awesome. You can taste the pickle, obviously. Bacon gives it a nice flavor. That Camp House, that Suckle Buster seasoning, whoo-hoo. You gotta give that a try. You just eat it right off the toothpick, easy. Now, let's see how these guys turned out. I don't want to just tear one open. Oh, look at that. Perfectly cooked. Look at that. This bagel is just perfectly cooked. Mmm. Whoa. A lot of flavor from that seasoning. I mean, mac and cheese is always good. Got extra cheese in there. Oh. Now these big old boys, I'm just gonna. Wow. That is fantastic. The pizza dough cooked great. Guys, smoked appetizers are the way to go. I have my ribs in there. They're just finished up. I thought maybe another 30 minutes. So we're gonna check on those. We're gonna plate everything up. This is amazing though. You gotta try these. Woo-hoo! All right, guys. Appetizers are done. Main course is done. Let's get these sliced up. Whew, look at those. Now this isn't a rib video, so if you want to know how I cook my ribs, click the button somewhere along the top. We'll have the video linked. Just gonna slice these open though. And those are looking good. Now I believe I said it would be a 4 beer cook and we're at 3, so you obviously have to have your drink with dinner. Now that is smoked appetizers with some good ribs on the side. All right, guys, we're all done with the cook. We got our smoked appetizers perfectly cooked. This is gonna be awesome. Our ribs is the main course. I got my last beer poured. Now remember to like and subscribe to the video. Leave a comment if you want to be part of the giveaway, and you have to be subscribed to Drunken Chef's page to win his rubs. And yeah, it's Chiefs preseason game 1 today, so I got a long walk to get to where I'm watching the game from, so I'm just gonna take my beer to go. We'll see you guys in the next one.